Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving right into the world of Todoist and learning about how to add comments and attachments to tasks. Let's start with adding comments. Open Todoist and click on the task to which you wish to add a comment. On the right side, you'll see a section named Comments. Here's where you can type your comments directly. Now, why is this important? Comments help you and your team to keep track of important details and updates about tasks without cluttering your task list. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding attachments. Back in the same comments section, you'll see a paperclip icon. Click on it, and you can add files from your device, Google Drive, or Dropbox. The reason we do this is to ensure that all relevant files are accessible directly from the task, saving you the hassle of searching for them elsewhere. Now, what happens when you add an attachment? Todoist will upload the file and automatically create a link to it in your comment. This helps us because it keeps your tasks clean and organized while still having all necessary information available at a click. Next up, press Enter or click Post Comment to save your comment and attachment. Just remember, any team member assigned to this task will receive a notification about your comment, so it's a great way to keep everyone in the loop. And that's it. You're now a pro at adding comments and attachments to tasks in Todoist. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, effective task management is just a few clicks away. Until next time.